Hello and happy Friday. This is Alicia with Intracoastal Construction in Ocean Hammock, and we love building here. It's a beautiful community, and I want to show you the outside of this house and what we're doing here today. Well, actually, in the last several weeks, didn't happen in one day. We have Nichiha siding. I'm going to give you a very close-up of this. This is phenomenal siding. This is a mix of cement, wood, and sand. It maintains durability no matter the weather, the temperature, anything. It resists rotting, creak, and mold. It's phenomenal. Sorry, it's a loop update. You can get this in a variety of colors, but look at the character it creates. Wow. Really stunning. If you would like to talk about Nichiha or anything else you would like to do for your custom home, please give us a call. Happy Friday.